Hey, this is Ben here with a BILT HARD 20-inch high velocity fan that I'm going to be getting out and setting up. Here's the mounting hardware. When it comes with the manual, they put these feet on here after the plastic. So the plastic's kind of stuck underneath. So you sort of have to tear it out. Not a huge deal, but... Okay, so the setup for this is not too difficult. There are spring buttons here that will press down and fit down into the foot. All right, that's very simple. This does have a 3-pronged grounded plug, so keep that in mind when you're making plans on where you're going to plug this in. All right, so let's take a close look here. On the side, we have tightening clamps here to allow you to swivel the fan to the position you'd like it to be and then tighten it down. Straightforward controls. We have their off, low, medium, and high. The construction of the support here is just metal tubing, so it's nice and solid support, and it has these rubber footings on it just so that it'll grip on the surface where it's sitting. There's a mounting option where you can mount this onto a wall. There are instructions are in the manual, and it does come with the hardware. The blades of the fan are metal, so they're heavy duty. They're going to give you that high velocity wind flow, and as you can see, the entire fan is open air, and there's nothing hindering the airflow there. The fan does have a handle for positioning or carrying, and I do want to point out that the front grill does come off with these latches, so it can be fully opened up to clean. Now this fan is great for sitting on the floor or tabletop, mounting to the wall, but it will not mount into a window. Okay, so I've put a streamer on the center of the fan. The wind's already blowing it a little bit, but we're gonna compare this fan to my box fan just to get a comparison about the strength. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up on high here and comparing the box fan side by side with the high velocity fan. The BILT HARD model clearly has a stronger power to it. Both of these fans are on high setting. So there you have it. Hey, I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.